Everything is ready. The default settings are optimized. Just connect your wallet and the bot starts working immediately. No extra setup, no complications, just fully automated trading at maximum speed. Right now, the bot is tracking new launches on Pump.fun. It reacts instantly, in just 0.01 seconds, and we're already in the pool. Meanwhile, the general public won't see the token for another minute. The market is still asleep, but the bot is already opening a position. Here's the buy. The perfect entry point was chosen based on the bonding curve. From there, automatic monitoring kicks in. Price rises by 25%, profit is taken. Another 25%, more profit secured. If the price drops, the stop loss triggers without you lifting a finger. This is emotion-free trading. All parameters can be configured in seconds. Amount, interval, slippage, profit targets, and risk limits. After that, just watch. The bot handles everything and does it fast. Next target found, instant entry. Price goes up, and we're locking in gains while others are just seeing the launch notification. Your strategy works, even when you're away from the screen. Over 10,000 users have already trusted this bot with their capital.
Because this isn't just a tool, it's a complete system. Security is built in. Your funds stay under your control at all times, and the code is fully open source.
And now the trades are done. We stop the bot and enjoy the profit. The only rule? Don't close the window until all operations are completed. Let your capital work with precision. This is what modern trading looks like.